Hello, artists! Today we are going to be inspired by this beautiful fall weather and we are going to draw a pumpkin patch. And in your artwork, I am looking for two things. A horizon line, and we're also going to practice overlapping. If you don't know what those words are, no worries because we're going to talk about them. Please have your paper and a pencil ready to go so we can draw along. I'm using a Sharpie just so you can see it, but you're welcome to use a pencil. So a horizon line is the line that shows where the sky meets the earth. So I'm using a ruler to make sure mine is straight, and I am drawing a line here. Sometimes our horizon line is flat if we have flat land, or maybe you have some mountains in the background. Maybe there is a field or a forest of trees and you want to draw that. Totally up to you, but our horizon line would start with a straight line. We could also have even like buildings or a cityscape far in the distance. Just remember, this is your sky and this is the land, and we call what separates them the horizon line. So for our pumpkin patch, I know that I'm going to need to draw many pumpkins, and I know that the pumpkins that are closer to me are going to look bigger than the ones very far off in the distance. So I'm going to start by drawing some bigger pumpkins towards the bottom or front of my artwork. And then I'm going to draw some medium-sized pumpkins in the middle, a smaller pumpkin going back, and if I wanted to draw pumpkins way back here, they might be so small they would just be dots. Our next vocab word, overlapping, means when something is over another thing. And we see this a lot. And sometimes we forget that we can draw it too. So I have an example here where I have two pumpkins that I made. And you can see that these pumpkins are overlapping. Pumpkin 1 is in front of pumpkin 2. And the reason I can tell that is because part of pumpkin 2 there is covered up by pumpkin 1. So we can draw this in our artwork. I think I want to overlap pumpkin here. So I couldn't see the rest of that pumpkin, so I'll just stop right there. This one's overlapping, and I don't have to overlap in every part of my drawing. I think I want just another medium-sized pumpkin here. I do want to overlap some smaller pumpkins. And this is where you really get to make the drawing your own. I want to see a horizon line and I want to see overlapping somewhere on your artwork, but you can add other things you're excited about. Maybe you have different kinds of squash, or you have corn, or maybe there is a different fall tradition that you enjoy participating in that you want to incorporate in your drawing. So please finish your drawing, check you have a horizon line and overlapping, and you can submit that to this assignment. Thank you.